It's your girl Sherelle, and I'm back with another little hair video.
It's all alright. Even if we yell, we'll be fine by tonight. Cause we can break up, but we will make up like we always do.
So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be adding in some weave here at the top. So I'm going to have some weave here at the top, and then we're going to let the back just stay down. So if you have short hair and you're just looking for like a little style, something cute, but you don't want to really mess with your hair too much, but you want to switch it up because I'm bored, I'm tired of it, then stay tuned. Okay, so now I am going to part my hair. Next thing, I'm going to go ahead and take out what I'm going to consider my leave out. Now I'm going to take out my leave out that I'm going to leave on the top because I'm going to have a side part. So this little hair right here, I'm just going to flatten that down. Put a little castor oil on that, flatten it down. Now I'm going to be braiding this. That little section done. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. So I did go ahead, as you seen, I sewed it in, laid it down. Period. Cute. Watch this part 2 video if you want to see how I'm going to transform this color to the color magenta. It is a Dora permanent semi-dye. In my video that I posted, I dyed my hair first, my natural hair, I dyed it, and I feel it didn't really take as I wanted it to take. So what I decided to do was go ahead and throw in some of my little leftover hair that's already been bleached. So go ahead and throw in some hair that's already been bleached and try to put this magenta color on it and see how it's going to pop, to see if I get the result that I want. So this is, go ahead, stay tuned and follow that part 2 video so you can see me with it fully dyed, makeup and everything. So go ahead, look for that second video. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Like I said, go check out that part 2 so you can see how I'm going to change this color with my magenta on this already bleached hair. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you can be notified. Thanks for watching.